Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming with a look at the best gaming laptop currently on the market. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, finding the right laptop can make all the difference in your gaming experience. We'll explore key features, performance specs, and what sets these laptops apart, so you can make an informed decision before your next purchase. Let's jump right in. Number 5. MSI Thin A15 Gaming Laptop. Experience gaming like never before with the MSI Thin A15 Gaming Laptop. Engineered to deliver high performance, this laptop brings your favorite games to life. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals and dynamic graphics that elevate your gaming sessions. The sleek design makes it an ideal companion for gamers on the go, allowing you to unleash your potential anywhere. Each component is meticulously crafted to ensure fluid gameplay, making it feel as though you are stepping into another world. The powerful battery life provides prolonged gaming enjoyment, enabling you to conquer quests and challenges without interruptions. With ample storage and seamless multitasking, transitioning between demanding applications becomes effortless. This laptop does not just cater to gamers but also enhances your creativity, allowing you to edit videos and design graphics with precision. The responsive keyboard and advanced cooling system work together to provide an exceptional user experience even during intense gaming marathons. Whether you are a seasoned player or a newcomer, the MSI Thin A15 gaming laptop ignites passion and adventure. Number 4. MSI Katana A15 AI Gaming Laptop. Unleash your gaming potential with the MSI Katana A15 AI Gaming Laptop. Experience breathtaking graphics and seamless gameplay that transports you to vibrant, immersive worlds. This powerful laptop is designed for those who crave intense gaming experiences, offering incredible performance with advanced technology. Each session becomes unforgettable as you dive into high-resolution visuals and dynamic soundscapes. The refined design exudes sophistication while providing the durability needed for extensive gaming marathons. Designed for gamers, this laptop balances power and efficiency, ensuring your battles are not hindered by lag or interruptions. Whether you are exploring vast open worlds or competing in fast-paced tournaments, this gaming laptop keeps you at the forefront of excitement. With a user-friendly interface, navigating through challenges feels intuitive and fluid. You will quickly lose track of time as you conquer challenges with precision and finesse. Elevate your gaming adventures with a machine that embodies reliability, style, and cutting-edge technology. The MSI Katana A15 AI Gaming Laptop stands ready to take your gaming experience to extraordinary heights. Embrace the thrill and make this your ultimate gaming companion today. Number 3. ASUS TUF Gaming F17 Gaming Laptop. Experience an exhilarating gaming adventure with the ASUS TUF Gaming F17 Gaming Laptop, designed to elevate your performance. This powerful laptop combines cutting-edge technology with robust durability, making it the ideal choice for gamers who crave every moment of their gameplay. Feel the adrenaline as you immerse yourself in stunning graphics, enjoying fluid motion in every scene. The TUF Gaming F17 features an impressive processing unit and high-speed graphics, allowing you to conquer even the most demanding games. With enhanced cooling systems, it keeps you in the game longer without overheating, ensuring your focus remains unbroken. The keyboard is built for responsiveness, providing a tactile experience that enhances your precision during intense battles. This laptop is not just about performance. It embodies a style that resonates with passionate gamers. Number 2. Gigabyte Aorus 17X Gaming Laptop. Elevate your gaming experience with the Gigabyte Aorus 17X Gaming Laptop. This powerhouse combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design, making every gaming session immersive and unforgettable. Picture yourself conquering virtual worlds with stunning graphics and lightning-fast performance. The Gigabyte Aorus 17X comes equipped with advanced cooling solutions, ensuring your device remains at peak performance even during intense gaming marathons. Say goodbye to frustrating lags and hello to seamless gameplay that keeps you on the edge of your seat. The vibrant display offers crisp visuals that pull you deeper into the action, allowing you to appreciate every detail. You will feel the thrill of responsiveness with the precision keyboard, designed to enhance your every command. This laptop is not just an investment in technology, it is an upgrade to your gaming lifestyle. Number 1. ASUS ROG Strix G16 Gaming Laptop. Experience the thrill of gaming like never before with the ASUS ROG Strix G16 Gaming Laptop. Unleash your potential with superior performance that immerses you in every adventure. Feel the adrenaline rush as high-definition graphics bring your games to life, making each moment unforgettable. Designed for gamers, this powerhouse combines incredible speed with stunning visuals, ensuring you are always one step ahead of your competition. The robust cooling system maintains optimal performance, allowing you to play for hours without compromise. With precision engineering, every detail is crafted to enhance your experience, from the responsive keyboard that makes every key press count, to the vibrant display that captivates your senses. This laptop appeals to both casual players and hardcore enthusiasts, making it the ideal companion for any gaming journey. Imagine conquering new worlds and achieving epic victories with unparalleled ease. Thanks for tuning in to our review of the best gaming laptop. We hope this video helped you find the perfect rig for your gaming adventures. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and gaming tips. Have a favorite gaming laptop? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy gaming!